Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for July. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my electrician's electromechanical hybrid. I freaking love this watch. If you didn't get a better look at it, make sure you go back and check the other video where I did the box opening and first look at this one. Now, if you're not familiar with watchgang, it is a monthly subscription watch company. I do the black tier level, which watchgang has raised the price up to $199. Now, because I've been such a long time member, I was grandfathered in. If you are an active member and you maintain the membership you have, you will maintain the original price. But if you're just starting up, they have the original tier for $74.99, the black tier for $149.99, and the platinum tier for $399.99. Also, guys, if you're looking to sign up for watchgang, make sure you click my link below. It'll get you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points, which helps keep the channel going because I use it to get more watches. And if you are looking to save a little bit of money, I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out the other channel, Mileage Unknown. Let's see what we got. We have an Orvin. I don't know much about Orvin. Let's take a closer look at this Orvin. Pulled the plastic off the crystal. I actually kind of like the smoothness on the pushers there. We do have their name on the buckle. Looks like this is a SKU number, part number ORC3 with an MSRP of $350. Let's go ahead and open this up a little bit and take a look at the case back, see if it gives us any more information. Orvin, stainless steel, water resistant, 330 feet. Not a whole lot of info there, so I'm going to have to do the usual and wear this one a little bit, do some research on it, and get you a follow-up review finally with some of my thoughts. Let's go ahead and throw this one on my roughly 7-inch wrist so you can get a little bit of an idea on how it fits me. So it looks like looks like I would have plenty of room for growth if you've got a little bit bigger wrist there. I like the strap on this one. It's very nice. There's a lot going on the bezel and inner bezel of this one. So it might be a little bit busy for me, but overall I don't mind the look. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.